I guess it's a good opportunity to talk about drawing straight lines. If you climb inside a new tractor today's time, they have all these computers and GPS guidance, and you don't even have to touch the steering wheel. It's crazy. This old 4040, you climb up in that thing, there ain't much going on there, just the gear shifters and the pedals and the steering wheel. But one thing there is on there, I'll show you. Needs to be polished back out, but this one here should be chrome. It comes to a nice fine point. That's the old GPS right there. Because when you're driving and you get ready to start a new road, when you make the turnaround, you see where you need to be on the next pull, and you line up. You draw a straight line, you look behind you, and you find a nice landmark that you can remember throughout the whole road to look back on. But then, as soon as you make that turn and you get your spray right, at the end of the field, you find another landmark that you know is about the width you need to be over from your previous landmark. And you just keep drawing lines back and forth, and you keep this point right there on that point, and you'll draw a straight line, or close to a straight line. Of course, if you go out there with a drone and look over the field, my line's probably ain't that straight, but straight enough, and it works. So that's what that's for, if you're ever wondering. At least that's why I use it. Luckily for us, all of our hay fields and pastures are surrounded by junk, so I got plenty of landmarks to remember. I usually use about the same ones every time.